Alright, ladies and germs, we're about to get started on this thing finally. This thing has been sitting in my driveway for months. So the plan is, this is a 73 Super, okay? We're going to get rid of that McPherson strut style front suspension. The customer, his name is Dylan, he went and got a custom front beam and all of the disc brakes, etc. So we're going to end up cutting out that entire front section along those black lines that I've drawn right there. We're going to cut all that out, and we're going to do a roll cage out of tube, and we're going to tie it all in. We're going to run it down the side of here on the inside of the pan, and as it comes through, we're going to go through the firewall and go straight forward, just like the Volkswagen Things have kind of a brace that goes from the outside of the beam to this corner here. So we're just going to run it straight. We're going to go here, bend in, bend back out, and head straight for that beam. Then we're going to do one hoop that comes from here, goes up at kind of an angle into here, then comes straight up to here, under the top of the dash. So we got to pull the dash out. Then we're going to do our A-pillars down to that hoop there. We'll do our main hoop here. It goes across, and it'll come up and then kick in, then come across, kick down, and then come down. And then we'll tie all that into a cage structure back here. We're gonna move and put a fuel cell back here on top of that package tray area. We're pretty much just gonna do the interior cage just like any other Baja bug. We're gonna try to follow the score rule book just as much as humanly possible, which isn't all that much. For now, we're just gonna keep the deck lid and probably gonna end up cutting this rear apron off. And we'll end up cutting into here to make room for a set of bypass shocks. And he's got another set of control arms for the rear, along with axles and upgraded bearings and hubs to fit 5-on-5s. Or 5-on-4 3/4, I think they are. They're a Chevy bolt pattern because the off-road world is a lot easier to get wheels for those because they're on fucking everything. The wheelbase has to stay pretty close to factory. And the width has to stay close to factory. And I've got to print out the rules and stuff like that, but that's what we're getting started on. We're gonna do a Baja Super Baja. So I will give you an update in a little while. All right, so today we got the old Super front cut off, and we've got the new bulkhead set up to where we can just weld it on. And then we're going to run the roll cage bars out of here to here to brace the front beam, and then we're gonna have bars that come up and go to our dash bar. We've got the dash all ripped out now. We're gonna leave all the wiring in there for now because I don't want to deal with rewiring the car, but that's where we're at right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe.